Friends, welcome to Damu Education. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So in this session, we are going to discuss what is the technique for perfect square trick. So how to find square of any number from 1 to 1000. So here we'll give one clarity about this. So what is that? How to find without multiplication? What is the fastest way to find the square of any number? So this is the trick. So here I will explain 2 to 3 methods. For that you can use any one, whatever you like. So let's going to take from 1 to 10. We know from 10 to 100 some numbers up to 20 everybody knows, but after that it will be difficult. So let's going to calculate what is the square of 36. So first one, let's going to take 36 square. How to find it? So 36 means, let's going to take, what is this? 36 into 36. So this is normal multiplication, but here in square, first method. So method 1. So what is the method 1? So first we need to take 36 square, right? So what is the 3 square? That is 9. Let's going to write 9 in here. And what is the 6 square? So here 3 square we need to find, and separately 6 square, that is 36. So that is 36. Then here between middle, what we have to find it here is, we have to multiply 3 into 6 into 2. 3 6 what is that? 3 6 18. 18 2 36. So this is 36. So what we have to do here is, so first one, let's going to write 6 as it is, and 3 plus, we have to do addition here, 3 plus 6, that is 9. 9 plus 3 will be, what is that? 11. Sorry, 12. So 1 to 9 6. So this is the perfect square of 36 square. What way we're going to see another number. So what is, let's going to take it 47 whole square. So 47, right? So here what is the 4 square? So 4 square separately, that is 16. Let's going to write 4 square 16, and 7 square will be 49. Then between, what we have to write it here? So 4 sevens are 4 into 7 into 2. So 4 into 7 into 2. So 4 sevens are 16, 56, 49. So we have to eliminate this one, edges one. What is that? Let's going to write here as it is. What is that? 9 will be here. Then 4 plus 6 plus. So this is the way, addition of these 2 to 2. So 4 plus 6 will be, what is that? 10. So let's going to write 0 here. 1 will be added to this before that. Then 6 plus, what is this? 6 plus 6, 12. So 2, again 1 will be added. So here 2. So how we are added here? So 9 as it is. 9 we are written as it is. Next, this one 4 plus 6, that is 10. 1 we are 10 we will get here. So 0 we are written. 1 to shift to this side, left side. Then 6 plus 5, 11. 11 plus 1 will be, what is that? 12. So 1 we are written. Again 1 plus 1 we are given. So 2 to 0, 9. So this is the, now we'll see the second method. So what is that? Method 2. Method 2. So method 2, let's going to take any other number. What is that? Let's going to find it. 25 square. So what is the method 2? So as I already told here, 2 square is 4. Then 5 square is 25. Then what we have to write it here is, so we have to take this one as it is. 2 5s are 10, 10 2s are 20. So 20, right? So 20, let's going to write it here. Leave this 5 here, and 2, 6, 25. Yes, we got it. So this is the way. So below that we have to write it for addition. Let's going to take another one. What is that? Let's going to write 95. 95 whole square. So what is this here? So let's going to take here, single digit is came. For that we are written 1 1 unit digit we have to leave, and we have to write it left side. Then 95. So 9 9s are 81. 5 5s are 25. Then we have to multiply. What is this? 9 5s are 9 into 5 into 2. So what is this? 9 5 10 90. So 90, what where we have to write it here is we have to leave right side digit 5 and 90 before that. So let's going to add here. So after adding 5 2 9 plus 1 will be 10, again 9025. So what is this? 9025. Next we are going to see another one, 95 97 whole square. So first what we have to take it, 9 9s are 81, then 7 7s are 49. So single separately we have to square off both the numbers. Then 9 7s are, then 2s are. So 14 9s are 126. So leave one number here, 126. So 126. So this is the one. So let's going to add 9. 4 plus 6 will be 10, 0, then 1 plus 1, 2, 2, 2, 4, then 9, 0, 9, 4, 9, 4, 0, 9. So this is the perfect square of that number. So this is the way to find the calculation. Now we'll see how to find perfect square for 3-digit number. So here 112 is there, and 985 and 455. Here three different methods are there. At what number, by which number we have to approach? First one, let's see, 112 is there. So 112 is near to the hundreds, correct, than 200. So near to the 100 than 200. So for that we have to make it 112 as 100. Then 985. So it is near to the 1000, correct? It is not near to the 900. It is near to the 1000. For that we have to make it that into 1000. And here 455 is there. So 455 we have to make 455 into the 450. Why? Because it is middle of the hundreds, tens and hundreds, 200, 300, 400 and 500. So it is near to the 450. So make it 455 into 450. So without confusion we are going to start 112 perfect square. So 112. For this square, write 112. First one we have to make 112. In order to make 100, we have to subtract 12 from this, correct? So first subtract above this, and same thing we have to do one more thing. For this we have to add 12 also. So after subtracting, here subtraction term you have to write here addition term. So addition term. So subtraction means 112 minus 12 it will become, so this part will come here, so that is 100. So what we are writing here, so this is the part of 112 minus 12 minus, so 100 we got it. So left side write, and addition term, so 112 plus 12, what we will get it, so 124. So 124. So this is the term. Now, so this is addition term and this is subtraction term. Let's going to multiply both. First multiply. So after multiplication, we have to take square of 12. So this term. So this term. What is the 12 square? That is 144. So what is that? 144. Let's going to write it 144 this side. 144. So this is the one. So here 100 is there. Let's going to divide. So 144, that is 12 square. Let's going to write it 144 as it is. So here 100 is there. For that 100, here 2 zeros is there, right? For that, without any confusion, here 2 zeros is there. For that, here also let's make it 2 zeros. 100. Divide with the 100. So if you take 100 means here 2 digits as it is, we have to write it in the answer. 2 digits. So from the right. So 44 you have to take as it is. If you divide with the 10, we have to take only 4. You can divide with any number. Either you can divide with the 100 equal to these 2 zeros, or below to that tens, hundreds, hundreds, tens, 1000, 10,000, like that only we have to divide. So here are 2 zeros, for that 2 zeros. So here how many zeros are there? From 12 square, that many digits we have to take as it is in the answer. That is the point. So what is my point? If you take 10, you can take only one digit from the right side. If you take 200, 2 zeros, for that 2 as it is. Remaining 1 will be added. So here 100 will going to cancel. Now here 1 will be there. 1 into 24, let's going to write 124. Then 44 as it is, I told, right? So here 44, right? So before that 1 is there, for that 1. Here we need to add it. So for that 44, 5, 1, 2, 5. So 1, 2, 1. So what is this? 12,544. So this is the case. So you can write as it is, or you can write it 124 multiplication. This is 144. Why? Because 4 we have to leave. Why? Because 2 zeros we are divided. For that it is 4. Then 4 plus 1 5 1 2 5 5 4 4. So this is the case. So this is the way to find this. Now see the 985. So 985 whole square. So 985 we have to make into 1000. For that what we have to do here? So we have to add 15 to it. So plus 15 above, then minus 15. So we have to do the same thing. So whatever the upper portion, here we will get. Whatever the upper portion, that is 1000. How we got it? 985 plus 15. What is the upper portion? I told here subtraction and addition. It is upper portion and down portion. That is the one. So 1000 into here subtraction 985 15. That is 970. So 970. 970. So this is the one. So how we got it? 985 minus 15. We got it this one. So divide with the how many zeros? 3 zeros. Why? Because here we got it as 3 zeros is there. Why? Because 0 0 0 is there. For that let's going to divide with 100 also we can divide, or 10 also we can divide, but based on this. So 1000 divide with 1000, but 15 square, let's take 15 square 225. 225. So how many zeros are there? So that many places we have to remove. So 225, right? 3 as it is we have to write it in the answer. So what is the answer here is, as it is 225, let's going to write it, and 1000 will going to cancel, that is 970. So this is the answer. 970225 is the answer. This is the way to find the nearest to the 1000. If you take 100 here, you can take it. So 25 as it is, 2 will be added to this one. So let's going to see that is also we can divide or not. So 1000 into 970 by 100. Do it like this. 100. But what is this? 225. So as I told here, so here 2 zeros is there. For that 225, 2 zeros, 9700. So here how many we have to take it? So here we need to take these 2 decimals as it is from the right. Why? Because here 2 zeros is there. For that in 225 we have to take from the right side only 2, not full. So for that here 225, let's going to add it. So 5 to here add it. So for this answer we are added to the 225. So this is answer of 9700. That one we are taken. 2 we are added to the last digit in the 9700. That is 2097. So same answer we are getting. No confusions here. We can divide with the 10 also, no problem. But here how many digits we are consideration, that is the point. Next one, 455. So 455 whole square. 455 whole square. So 455 whole square we need to make it into, what is that? 450. So nearest 50s. So for that minus 5 plus 5. So let's going to do here, what is that? Plus 5, that is 455, that is 450 into minus 5, right? So right side 460. So that is the one, 45 0 into 460. So 5 square is what? 5 square is 25. 5 square is 25. So we can divide with the, here 100 we can divide. Yes, why? Because here 45 is there. So 10 is there. We can, 3 places are there, divide with 100 or tens. So we can divide with the any number, 10 or 100. Let's going to divide with the 10. So if we divide with the 10, 45 will be, multiplication is difficult. For that, divide with the 100. 100 means 25 as it is, we have to write it in the answer. As it is. Not like addition to the previous one here. As it is 225 as it is. Here also 100. So 450. So 100, 1's a 100, 4.5's a. So 4.5 into 460. So 4.5 means 4.5 into 10 by 10 into 460. That is 45 into 460 by 10. Can you do like this or not? Yes, we can do it. So 1's a 46. So 45 into 46. 45 into 46. Now this one we have to consider. So this is 2070 we will get. 2070 and this 25 as it is added to the this one. Final answer. Why? Because here 2 zeros we are taken. For that 2 places as it is we have to write it in the answer at the end. Why? Because 5 square. So 2070 25. So this is the way to find the perfect square. If you like the video, please like it. Try to share with your friends and family members. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.